What's that? Why? You don't like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
You do? Well, did you do anything that you should get a treat for today?
I'm going to
Oh, that's a very good thing, and you did. So, okay. When we go inside, I will get you some. Or should we go on our walk first and then have ice cream later?
let me get inside.
Okay. Tell me about your shirt. What's on it? What's that? A dragon. Wow. That's very cool. Pull that your arm so I can see it. Both of them. Oh, yeah. That's enough. Oh, I can see it very good. Thank you. Oh, yeah. That's dragon. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for showing me your shirt.
It says, get it off like that. And do that.
Oh, you're reading the directions on my phone? Okay. All right. We're going to have a good day today?
Okay.
A really good day or just a good day? Okay. Sounds like fun. Say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye.
Bye.